Today, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Robinhood, step by step, using the mobile app. By the way, later I'll show you guys the best way for even complete beginners to buy, sell, store, and exchange crypto. You don't want to miss that, so watch this video to the end. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Once you're on the main home screen, make sure you have money in your account, which is called your buying power. If you don't have funds yet, you'll need to deposit money from your bank first. Next, look at the menu icons at the bottom of the screen and tap on the crypto icon to open the cryptocurrency section. Inside the crypto page, tap on Buy Crypto or use the search bar to type Bitcoin. Then select Bitcoin from the list. Now tap on Buy. At the top, you'll see an option to buy by USD amount or by Bitcoin quantity. The easiest way is to choose Buy in USD and enter the amount of money you want to invest, for example, $20. After entering the amount, tap Review. Robinhood will show you the order details, including how much Bitcoin you'll receive and the total cost. If everything looks correct, swipe up to confirm the purchase. Once the order is completed, the Bitcoin will appear in your crypto holdings on Robinhood, and you can track its value directly from your portfolio. As promised, if you're looking for the easiest way to buy, sell, store, and swap crypto, I recommend checking out Rock Wallet. It's a super cool app that lets you stay in complete control of your crypto, since it's non-custodial. Even if you've never bought any kind of cryptocurrency before, and you're not tech-savvy at all, Rock Wallet will walk you through it, step by step. You can install the app for free using the link in the description below. If you would like help installing Rock Wallet and creating your account, click the video showing up on your screen. It's a detailed tutorial walking you through the exact steps to setting up and using Rock Wallet.